Hello students, in the last class we have seen about the theory of the Kennedy's theory. Now in today's class we'll see some design steps, how we'll use this theory to design a canal. Now the first step is to, from the given value of discharge, if the discharge is given in the question, we can assume a suitable trial value depth and compute the critical velocity of the flow. Critical velocity of the flow, which was given by this formula, V is equals to 0.55 m to the power 0.64. So इन्होंने बोला है कि if Q is given in the question, then we have to assume a suitable value of depth of flow, that is y, and by using this value we can find the critical velocity of flow. In the next step, calculate the cross section area, the velocity which we have found v naught. By using this and by using the discharge, we can find the cross section area of the canal as q upon v naught. So this is the second step. So area of canal is equals to q upon v naught. Next, step 3. By assuming a trapezoidal section and side slope 0.5 horizontal to 1 vertical, calculate the dimension of the canal. ये बोल रहे हैं कि अब हमें क्या करना है. हमें एरिया तो मिल चुका है कनाल का, पर भाई कनाल का क्रॉस सेक्शन कैसा लें. तो इन्होंने बोला है फॉर डिज़ाइनिंग, इन्होंने बोला है कि आपको एक ट्रेपेजॉइडल सेक्शन अज्यूम करना है जिसका साइड स्लोप होगा बच्चों 0.5 हॉरिजॉन्टल टू 1 वर्टिकल. ध्यान रखना है. सो यहाँ m की वैल्यू हो जाएगी आपकी 0.5. बाय यूजिंग दिस, एरिया कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड एज b प्लस my इंटू y. Since we know the area, we have calculated in the previous step. So if area is known, then m is 0.5. So b and y में relation मिल जाएगा. Similarly, there is another relation which we can find, that is p is equals to 2y under root 1 plus m square plus 2b. So by using these relationships, we can find the b and y. These are the dimensions of the canal. So in the third step, we have to find the dimension of the canal. So 3 step has been done. Now we'll move on to the 4th step, that is to calculate the hydraulic radius. Hydraulic radius r can be calculated as the cross sectional area upon the perimeters. So r can be calculated using this formula. In the next step, we have to calculate the actual velocity of flow by using the Chase's equation. We know the Chase's equation, v is equal to c under root rs, where s is the slope, r is the hydraulic radius, and c is the Chase's constant. So here, for calculating this c, we have to use the Cutter's equation. And Cutter's equation can be given as 1 upon eta plus 23 plus 0.00155 upon s divided by 1 plus 23 plus 0.00155 divided by s bracket में n under root r. So using this formula, Chase's constant can be found, and this formula is known as Cutter's formula, where eta is the Manning's constant. ये है Cutter's formula है ना, where here is the formula is given, where eta is the Manning's constant, s is the slope, r is the hydraulic radius, and by and putting all these values, c can be found out. And when we know the value of c, the actual velocity of flow, that is v is equals to c under root rs, can be calculated. Now in the step 6, if the above velocity is same, जो हमने v naught find किया था, what v naught we have found in the second step, अगर वो v naught और जो actual velocity हमने c under root rs से find किया है, if these velocities are approximately same, then our design is correct. Otherwise the design is not correct. तो हमको एक अल्टरनेट डेप्थ अज्यूम करनी पड़ेगी दोबारा से टू डिज़ाइन द कैनाल। फिर है बच्चों नेक्स्ट, इफ़ द बेड स्लोप इज नॉट गिवन देन इट कैन बी अज्यूम्ड बिटवीन 1/3500 to 1/500, sorry 1/3500 to 1/5000. If slope is not given in the question, that it can be assumed to be 1/3500 to 1/5000. Okay. If roughness of is not given, it can be assumed as, matlab if eta is not given in the question, although it will be given in your university exam, if it is not given, then it can be assumed from this table that for poorly maintained southern channel, the Manning's constant is 0.025 to 0.030. For good earthen channels, it can be 0.022 to 0.025 and so on. Okay, so we'll see a numerical. Design an irrigation channel to carry 50 meter cube per second of discharge. Here point to be noted, q is given as 50 meter cube per second. The channel is laid at a slope s is given as 1/4000 and critical velocity ratio m is given as 1.1. Using Cutter's formula, Cutter's coefficient is given as 0.0023. है ना, these four things are given in this question. Discharge is given, slope 1/4000, critical velocity ratio m 1.1 and eta is equal to 0.023. Okay, so first step क्या था, assume a trial value. Let us assume a trial value of 2.5 and by using this 2.5 value we need to calculate the critical velocity. So critical velocity formula is v naught is equals to 0.55, m की वैल्यू गिवन है 1.1 इंटू वाई की वैल्यू हमने एज्यूम किया 2.5 की पावर 0.64. फ्रॉम हेयर वेलोसिटी हैज़ कम अबाउट 1.0875 मीटर पर सेकेंड. सो वेलोसिटी, क्रिटिकल वेलोसिटी वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड. क्रिटिकल वेलोसिटी क्या वेलोसिटी थी, वो वेलोसिटी इसमें ना सल्टिंग होगी ना स्कॉरिंग होगी. ओके, सो वी नॉट वी हैव फाइंड. इन द थर्ड स्टेप वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द एरिया. एरिया कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड एज Q upon V naught. Q is given in the question as 50. V naught is 1.0875, which we have calculated in the first step. So cross section area comes out to be 45.97 meter square. In the third step, we have to calculate the area. The area can be calculated as B plus my into y. I have already told you to assume a trapezoidal section having side slope 0.1 vertical to 0.5 horizontal. So m value is 0.5 and y value is 2.5, which we have taken. Area comes out to be in the second step 45.97. So by using all these three value, b can be calculated easily. So after calculation we found that b comes out to be 17.40 mm. You can check your calculations later. Okay, we focus on the steps, how the question will be done. Okay, the third step, 3 steps have been done. Now we'll move on to the fourth step. Fourth step was to calculate the hydraulic radius, which was area upon perimeter. Area we have already calculated. Perimeter can be calculated as 2y under root 1 plus m square plus b. We know b, we know y, we know m. So perimeter comes out to be something. Perimeter can be calculated, and after putting that value, r comes out to be 2.022 mm. So we know r, we know y, we know v, we know s. So in the fourth step we have to calculate the velocity, use actual velocity using the Chezy's formula. So we need to calculate the Chezy's constant. For that we need to calculate eta. Eta is given in the question, slope is given in the question, r we have already calculated. So by putting all these formula in the Cutter's formula, we'll get C as 49.36 Chezy's constant. and by putting this value of Chezy's constant in this formula, v is equals to c into rs, we can calculate the actual velocity, which comes out to be 1.1. Now actual velocity is 1.1 and critical velocity is 1.0875. So these two velocities are nearby close, but v actual is greater than v critical. So we need to assume a value. देखो यहाँ जो एक्चुअल वैल्यू है वो ज़्यादा है, तो एक्चुअल वैल्यू ज़्यादा है तो वी नीड टू इंक्रीज सम डेप्थ. सो वी हैव इंक्रीज अ डेप्थ to 0.1. So now our second depth is 2.6. So we need to repeat all these steps, and by using y is equals to 2.6, if both critical velocity and the actual velocity comes out to be same, then our assumed depth will be correct and the design will be correct. So I hope क्वेश्चन आपको समझ आ गया होगा. In the next class we'll do another theory, which is Lacey's theory. Thank you.